What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another video. Yeah, I took a break for a couple of days because, like I said, I've been busy. But you see the title. Let's get right into the video. I don't want to waste no more time. By the time you're watching this video, I just dropped the other one, so you could go back and forth, watch the last or the recent two videos. By the time you're watching this, it's in the future. So basically, you're watching this now, watching this later, whatever. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 plus subs, as well as comment whatever you want, because I respond to all my comments. So hit the subscribe button. Let's join the squad, as well as check out the main channel and check out my Instagram. Go follow me on there. Yeah, let's build the numbers up everywhere. Those two links will be down below the description, so go check that out, and let's get into the video. Alright, so off rip, just like the last video I just did with the white golf Jordan 1 lows. This is the Jordan 1 lows. Now, mind you, the Nike app, sometimes I get scared, so I just close the app. And by the time I came back to the app, it popped up a big congrats. That's how the Nike app works for people that don't know. So, yeah, it popped up a congrats. And I already hit the white pair because I did Apple Pay, so I already took out money. And I already knew the white one I got. So when I opened back the app and it popped up congrats, I was like, oh shoot, a second pair. And what do you know? It's the Jordan 1 Low Shadows golf shoes. But this one's in the size 12. The white one I got a size 13. So like I said in the other video, you would think it's golf. They would give a special golf box. But Jordan just don't give a shit at this point. Just like the last one, they got the Nike Golf paper thing. Let me see if the second one comes with different shoelaces as well. See, this makes sense. Gray shoelaces for the shadows instead of the black. They got gray. The reason why this makes sense because it's a different color and it makes sense. Not the damn white. They want to give white laces and they already have white on the shoe. The most stupidest thing I ever seen. But that's the extra gray laces, so that's fine. Let's put this back in the box so I don't have to show both. Can't front. These golf shoes are just making me mad, because why they make them look so doofy? Like, they do the laces for these. Look like clown shoes, to be honest. See, with this being a different color, you can see now. Nike Golf on the tongue. It says golf right there, just in case you can't see. It makes sense why they got golf shoes. Obviously, Jordan, we all know he plays golf. He still plays it to this day. Golf is a big deal. So for him, Jordan 1 Low Golf, I mean, it does make sense. It's like a flat shoe. Just throw it on. It does feel a little heavy. But I guess when you roll around the turf and grass, it's made for that. I don't play golf professional. So I never went to a golf course, like on a field. So I don't really know how that material feels with golf shoes, but I definitely played golf before. So like the white ones, it says golf right there. If you can see a little bit, golf with the Jumpman. Yeah, what else? It got the back. This looks too clean, like a real shadow colorway. With the Jumpman, I mean the Air Jordan Wingman right there logo. This is probably the second or third best colorway. Not third, I mean second or first best colorway that dropped a couple days ago or last week, because they had this colorway, the shadows, they had the white ones, and then they had the fake Dior colorway, like the gray and whatever type of blue or whatever, I don't really know. But yeah, these obviously go for more profit than the white. I don't know if it goes more profit than the fake Dior colorway, but this is definitely, you know, made for resale. Obviously, I got it. That's the purpose of me getting these shoes. You guys that have been here know I'm a reseller, as well as I collect fashionable stuff too, whether it's clothes, hats, shoes, and all types of stuff. I do keep stuff for personal, so sometimes I'm reviewing stuff that's personal, but also sometimes reviewing stuff that I'm selling. But what do you guys think about the shadows? Are they a better colorway that they've been dropping recently in the Jordan golf shoes? Let me know if you guys are watching, if you do play golf out there. You know, leave a comment down below. Are you people actually wearing these shoes out there? Because I don't know who's buying these, but golf got it. Obviously, golf fans got an outlet out there that they're buying these golf Jordans. And as resellers, yes, we're going to buy anything that's worth resale. So let me know what you think of the Shadow Jordan 1 Low golf shoes. Alright, so I didn't even realize the video cut off, but basically I was getting towards the end. Yeah, about these shadows. I didn't do a thumbnail, so let's get a quick thumbnail before the video dies again. The camera, let's get that thumbnail. Boom. So I didn't really say too much. All I'm saying is I have more videos coming out, and I'll try to get you. I have a banger coming out, and I'm going to try to get the video to you guys by Friday, the latest. Because I'm going to post these 2 videos for the golf shoes, and then after that, I'm going to record for unreleased Jordan 1 Low, because it didn't officially drop yet on the apps, but secretly have been dropping in stores. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Check out the main channel. Check out my Instagram. Those 2 links will be down below. So show me some love. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.